A very good morning, class 2. In our previous class, we have started our new chapter, that is division, in which we have learnt about that division is repeated subtraction and what are the terms in division, that is dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Okay, this is question. You shall also pronounce it as question. And what are the properties? When we divide a number with a certain number, same number, then the question is 1. Like this, we have read 3 properties of division and about subtraction method of division and using this number line. Now today we are going to start the next portion, that you may tell this, what is the relationship between division and multiplication. Okay, write classwork and today's date. Let's begin this chapter portion. 12 divided by 6. Let me show you in the form of division also here. 12 divided by 6. So 12 we are going to divide it by 6. So 6 2s are 12. What is the question? 2. Now 2 multiply 6. 2 6 are 12. So this is the relation. When we divide, means the dividend and the quotient has a relationship with each other. When this is dividend and the quotient is 2, at that time when we multiply it, the multiplicand will be 2 and the product will be the divisor. Okay, you can check it in further questions also. 16 divided by 2 means 16. How many times 16 comes in the table of 2? So 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. Now 8 2s are 16. Understood? When we multiply these two, the answer will be this. Okay, and when we are going to divide this by 2, the answer will be as the multiplicand. So there is the relationship between division and multiplication. Let's check this. 40 divided by 4. 4 10s are 40. 10 4s are 40. Okay, now let's check these terms where some of the blanks are given in the question side also. 24 divided by 6. So when we divide 24 by 6, you can check in this way also. When we divide 24 by 6, 6 4s are 20. 24. Excuse me. 24. 6 4s are 24. In the same way, what we multiply by 6 to get 24? 6, and we'll take this number what comes here. So when we write 4 here, 4 6 are 24. Okay, whatever the product is and whatever the multiplier is given, same comes here. See the product and the multiplier as divisor. The answer will come as the multiplicand itself. So this is very easy. 56 divided by 8. 8 7s are 56. So 7 8s are 56. Understood? So this you have to complete. Now turn the page. Let's move to the next page. See, long division method. Long division method means, as I am showing you, this division is known as long division. But here we are cutting it just in a single digit number. 6 4s are 24. Maybe here it will go long. How to do it? Let me show this to you. 60 divided by 6. This I am doing in book for yourself. You will do this in your copy. Okay? 60 divided by 6. 60 divided by 6. And yes children, I have sent you this problem also. What problem of multiplication? I hope you all have got it, and your work is to do this in your copy. 60 divided by 6. First we will take the ones place. right? But in division we start dividing from the last place. This is the difference between other operations and division. In other operations we always start doing operation from the right hand side, but division is the operation where we have to start from the left hand side. 16. Okay, so we can't divide first 0, we have to divide first 6. This is also 6. So you have to take care whatever is there in the dividend and whatever is the divisor. So divisor will always be less than the dividend. It can't be more. If you take here 7, we can't divide 6 by 7. Then we have to take this double number, that is double digit number. So we are looking at the first place. This is 6. 6 ones are 6 minus 0, and this 0 we have to take it down. In the same way as we have taken this 0 down, we'll put 1 0 here. Okay, now this you can do same. Now come to this one. Here 6 has been divided fully and the remainder is 0, but maybe sometimes we are unable to divide it full and we get some remainder. What should we do at that time? See, 8 and this will be 9. So we can divide bigger number by smaller number. No need of taking double number now, because this is less than 8. 8 ones are 8. Subtract this 9 minus 8, 1. Take this 6 down. This becomes now 16. So in the table of 8, 16 comes 2 times. 8 2s are 16. So what will be the question? 12. What will be the remainder? 0. Okay, in the same way you have to divide this all. Okay, maybe some number will get divided fully like this, 6 and here 48. See, this is 4 and this is less than 6. At that time you have to take this double number. Now 6 in the table of 6, does 48 comes? Yes. 6 8s are 48. Understood how you have to do? In the same way. Okay children, you can do this in your book as the space is given. You have to do this in your copy. In the same way as we have done this, you have to do this in your copy. Let me show. First you have to write your homework, date, page number or exercise. Then you have to start. Let me take question number 6. 68 divided by 2. First you write the question. 68 divided by 2. Then you show the division here. Okay. Write the dividend inside, divisor outside. Now we take the first number. This number is less than 2. So first we divide this number. 2 3s are 6. Divide means this number comes how many times in this table, or is it fully divisible, or what comes less than this. Okay. Now 8. Take down this 8 now. Now 2 4s are 8. Remainder is 0. At last you have to write here question. Question is this one. What comes this side? 34, and remainder is equal to 0. Okay, in this way you have to do this in your copy. I hope you understood this. Okay children, so what is your work for today? Your work for today is you have to do this in the book as well as this in the book, and this you have to complete in your copy. Notebook means copy. Understood? Notebook itself means copy. Tomorrow we are going to do this word problem. Okay, so tomorrow I know there is no class, but tomorrow I will send you this word problem in PDF form, and you have to do this in your copy, and the next day we will discuss it also, or tomorrow only I will discuss this and I will send you the word problem also, so you will complete this in your copy. Okay children. Take care and bye bye.